I swear, in the wintertime, it feels like I change oil on this generator once a week. We try to take care of our equipment. I mean, you don't want to be having troubles when it's 40 below or in the middle of a blizzard or rainstorms in the summertime. So try to maintain it, keep up on it. We shoot for changing the oil like every 100 hours. Did add an hour meter on here just to try and keep track of that. Sometimes it's 120 hours, 130, but we shoot for 100. That is not the goal or the main project for today. We are going to be building some shelves and a gate inside the cabin out of some old lumber we kept off of the sawmill in the fall. I have just a baby gate that blocks from going underneath our stairs where we have all the electrical stuff and a trash can, and it's always falling down, and it's just a baby gate. It's a pain. So we're gonna build something nice on some hinges with a latch so that it's a little easier to get in and out of there and it will look nicer. And then when we built the cabin, we built the cabinets in the kitchen in such a way that we had a space for the mini fridge that we used to have.
If anything, I might put some seasons. This is hot, baby.
Henry,
can you go hang out with your dad?
We've since upgraded in the size of our fridge, so now that's just an empty space. We're gonna build some shelves in there and build them. They'll fit perfect to hold canned goods, like canned salmon or stuff out of the garden, whatever we got. Give us a little more storage and organization. Got a real basic drawing of what we're shooting for, so I already have everything cut to size, ripped down on the table saw, and now I just gotta sand it. I'm not gonna be too picky about that, just get rid of any real splinters off of there since it's just come off the sawmill.
Okay, but the door is gonna open and close a whole bunch.
So this is your gate.
Okay. Ooh, we're gonna make a big mess, big mess, big mess. We're gonna make a big mess.
Favorite.
Hold on, I gotta open and close the door. Can you help me? Oh, close it all the way. Thank you.
Oh no!
Oh no! Wow.
And this are your shelves. These are your shelves.
Okay.
That's just scrap firewood. I think these will burn real hot.
Yeah. Cool. Always helps, huh?
I've had all that. It's just been sitting in there all winter. This was our only project. Cabinetry type stuff, so.
Cool.
When we start milling those guest cabin logs, we're gonna have live edge coming out our ears, so we'll just get rid of that stuff.
He's okay, bud. Okay, come on in, Gus.
Let me in too, Henry.
Watch your fingers. Thank you.
Do you think that's how we should set it up, buddy?
I agree. I think that's perfect. We better get some more boards on there. It's not a very tall gate. Are you excited?
I am very, very excited.
Why are you so excited?
Because I'm tired of cat knocking the dang thing over. So what do I got? 4? Now, are these gonna be...
Hey, yeah.
too long?
Too long. Can't you just shave them off with a grinder? It's kind of a pain, but
Yeah, but
you're not going to be able to see it. I don't know how much we've shared about under our stairs, but it's kind of like a utility closet, if you will. The cat food's in there, the trash can is in there, brooms are hung up in there, the Wi-Fi is in there, the solar batteries are in there, the electrical panel is in there. It's just a utility closet. Did I say utility shed? It's a utility closet at the end of the day. We've talked about putting like a whole door, but then like we're in and out of there a lot with the trash being in there. So we've had a baby gate up forever, and Levi is going to build us a nice little swing open gate that won't be such a nightmare always falling down and stuff. This is a very big improvement on the cabin for me, so very excited.
grind off.
Yeah.
And they'll be on the back side. It's not ideal, but
Well, Henry's got this covered, so I don't. You might as well
you
just
just
go.
want to build it, Henry?
You want to go take a nap and
Yeah.
he can build?
I can go to nap time and you can build it.
That's what I'm thinking.
Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? That's my pen. Give it back. Give it back. Okay. Set it right here for me. I see what we're doing here.
Oh, he knows.
That'll go. Something like that.
Cool. Well, looks nice. Real simple.
That'll go. Something like that. Give it a little bit extra. You know?
I love it.
That'll look pretty good.
Yeah, I think it's awesome.
And we'll get, we'll polyurethane it. This we can totally build. Then we'll do a dry fire of all of the pieces for the shelves.
Uh-huh.
Without screwing anything together, then we'll pull them out and paint them. Let them dry overnight, and then tomorrow we can actually
Yeah.
put it all in.
Awesome.
So I'm gonna take us outside real quick, grind those nubs off.
Yeah, for the screws that are too long. Okay.
Sticking out a little bit. But yeah, I think that's gonna.
Yeah, I think that's great. That's gonna look amazing. Super simple. Oh yeah, I love it.
Look something like that. That's gonna be.
So much better. You could make that side face out if you wanted. Give more of a barn vibe. It's like negative 15 degrees outside today. So, I know, he'll be right back. So, we're not even going to open the door to show you that.
Can you hold this up for me?
Yeah.
Super helper, dude. Just hold down here and let me move this piece around.
So what am I doing?
Hold this up. I'll move this around.
I'm like, that's not on there right.
Really want it the other way? We can do it the other way.
Wouldn't it look nice that way?
Hold it up so I can see it from a distance. Where it goes.
I think that looks nice. Where that's just... That looks nice too, but I like the other way better, personally.
And that's what we'll do, boss.
Really?
Really. Went ahead and threw these in here just to kind of roughly see how they're going to fit. And marked a couple of spots that I need to cut because we have an outlet box back there and a propane for the stove comes in back there. So we got that stuff marked just to test fit, make sure everything's gonna go, and then we'll pull it out. We'll go ahead and paint it, stain it, and let it dry tonight. And then tomorrow, that stuff should be dry enough that we can go ahead and actually install it all. Happy with how it's gonna look, especially once it matches the green of the rest of the cabinets. Ooh, fancy brush. Need a brush this big, but it's the brush I got.
That should make it go a little quicker though, huh?
Alright, let's see if I can't tip a gallon over inside.
No, no, let's not. Gus sounds mad.
Well, I really don't think I need Gus's help painting.
No.
Stay back, buddy. And watch.
Gus is like, this is crap.
Stay over there, bud. Oh,
Thick.
that is gonna need some serious mixing.
Hey! Oh no!
No.
When I first started, it was all hard at the bottom. I was like, I don't know if this is gonna...
Yeah, you wouldn't be any good.
It's been inside the whole time. Looks good, huh?
Yeah. Like,
We good. Yeah.
Henry.
Let's see how big of a mess I can make. Right?
It'll be less mess than I would have made.
That's for sure. Okay.
You got a leak there.
Yeah, I know. So that's gonna be it. Went through and cut all this stuff ahead of time.
Right. Is that a little overstimulating?
Not when you're outside. Bring it inside, it's like, wow. Yeah, I cut all this stuff ahead of time. And, yeah, cut that too short. There's a gap there. Because I measured, the other ones are going to go in here. So I cut this bottom one too short. When I measured, I don't know if the camera can even pick it up, but this sticks out about 1/4 inch. And that's what I measured when I cut them all. Not thinking that this one was on the floor.
Yeah.
So it's got a gap over here. But, you know.
Focus on it.
As long as you don't tell anybody, it'll be okay.
I see it. Why'd you tell people? Now they know.
Well, I'm just trying to
Oh, no. We can't be having that.
Well, next time somebody's on the floor, they're going to go, oh!
Son of... Both kids are going to be flabbergasted by this. They're the only ones on the floor, so.
Okay. Back to the air leak. Well, and, you know, realistically, it's about just as good a carpentry as your Lowe's cabinets have.
Right. Like,
It's not
you
like
know?
they're perfect. My goodness.
That's loud.
Oh, I forgot to use this.
Oh, what are you doing? He's... Oof.
That thing is like...
That'll wear you down.
It is by no means perfect, but...
I love it.
It'll hold some cans.
I'm so excited. That's gonna add so much space. Oh, yeah. I think it looks freaking awesome.
Oh yeah, but like, see the shadows or...
Don't look at the shadows. It's just gonna get dirty like these cabinets anyway.
You know what? God, that looks great.
Yeah, take those shadows away. Good job, dear. I do think it looks great. Thank you.
Got a flyer nail here.
Oh, don't do that. It's trying to kill me when I put my jars in there.
Well, secret surprise.
Secret surprise.
You're gonna have cans on there, but these two, I don't know if you can even see it.
Yeah, I
in
can
the
see
shadow. They're live edge, and I put them there so you could
Like, see them better.
see it. If it was in the back, you wouldn't see it, and if it was up against here, you wouldn't see it either.
Right, but we want that if we ever happen to get a big old earthquake.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It'll keep all my jars.
Yeah. Regardless.
Toddlers go yanking on stuff. It just kind of will give a
Toddlers and
gives a little bit of a barrier there.
dog tails and who knows what.
Awesome. I love them.
But I mean, realistically, for just here in the kitchen, that'll hold quite a few cans.
Yeah, I'm really excited. Like, get out of my way so I can fill them.
We had the same thing when we painted the whole kitchen, but this paint is just...
I don't like it.
Kind of tacky.
It's tacky.
Sticky paint.
I don't know if we're doing something wrong, but I hated it when we painted the cabinets too. So, don't recommend the paint. I like the color.
Yeah.
But it's what we have.
It's just
and it works. But amazing.
And I could have sanded this stuff finer too. I just hurried to process that.
Sam says you need to get back to work and get my gate up.
Yep, gate's next.
Sam.
I'll let it dry for a touch longer.
Oh, is it still a little?
Man, that's not good.
It looks awesome.
Yeah, it's got a good shine on it.
A little bit of sheen. You're so tired. That's the problem, huh? So you're gonna need me to hold it or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, those are nice hinges.
Yeah. I wanted something decent if we had to look at it, you know? I'm probably gonna have to go get the fine tool real quick and cut that little piece off.
That looks so good, dear. Yeah.
If you want, you can just go stand in there. That way.
Stand in there.
Stand in there.
You're gonna come up off the ground a little bit, right?
I am off the
Okay. Just think about frost heave.
ground. You're saying a little bit more.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Maybe more rather than less. Cabin frost heaves, just like that dang front. Just like that front door, you know. That'll make you sad.
Screw this off and then we can do the latch.
Alright, here's Levi's finished product. This is my favorite feature. It's a little dark in here. But check out this toddler proof. Oh yeah. And the burl doesn't really get in the way. You can't open it completely. But that's fabulous. We're going to add the litter box back here now that we'll be able to walk in and out easily. And it's just kind of a nice, much more child-proof space now. Put that back in. keeps Henry out of all those cords and everything. Love, love, love it. I'm sitting in front of the shelves that I'm trying to show you, but these are the shelves that I am going to be transferring some stuff to the new shelves. If you've watched for a while, I don't know, I feel like I complain about these shelves a lot. I really like them. Levi built them when he built the cabin, but they're kind of deep and big and things get lost. So that was the whole idea with the new shelves, is they're perfectly designed so that I can put either pint or quart jars. So there's 4 shelves and I can organize and do like this shelf for sauces, this shelf for salmon, this shelf for vegetables, whatever. They're perfect for my canning jars. Someday I want to be canning like all of our tomato sauces, I just want to be making all my own stuff someday. So those are my shelves to start putting my own stuff on. And I'm going to put some store-bought stuff on because I'm just not there yet. So, oh my gosh. Did you know we have a lot of canned salmon?
Yeah.
It's awesome. I'm probably going to change this setup like 1,000 times, but we're eating a lot of canned salmon now that we are out of frozen salmon. So I'm gonna put those on top. That makes sense, right? Look at, first jar. Oh my gosh, Levi, that's gonna fit so many jars. Oh, I'm in heaven. It will fit 7 jars deep in one line. Seven by 6. How many jars is that per shelf? 42 times 4.
168. The bottom one won't hold quite as many.
So 150 jars. I have so much canning to do. Okay, I am super excited, but I have a lot of work to do here and my camera batteries are dying and you don't need to watch me rearrange the entire kitchen. So we will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Huge shout out to Levi for getting this done. Thanks so much for staying tuned with us this winter. I know winter slows down quite a bit, especially with kiddos. We can't just, you know, go on some big adventure every week for you guys. So we appreciate you all for sticking around and we will see you next week. Thanks for watching.